Hi everyone! Happy Saturday! So as you can see, I'm on all my open house sign right now. Open house Saturday, and I'm super excited to share it with you. This property that just came in the market. Okay? Come and visit me here in McKinney. You can check 8005 Lapping Lane here in McKinney, and the good news of this one is it is Frisco ISD. So if you have some kids looking for a place to live, it's very convenient. Ta-da! To everything. And come and visit me here in McKinney area. So this is the beautiful house. We have high ceiling, open concept, nice color. Look at this beautiful house. So the address is 8005 Lapping Waters Trails in McKinney. It is a 5-bedroom. Yes, it is 5-bedroom, 3 bath, and 3,096 square feet. So if any one of you looking for the house in McKinney area, please give me a call or come and visit me today. This is a beautiful kitchen. Look at the color. It's nice, right? Nice color. And it's full 3 bath. So 2 bedroom downstairs, and then 3 bedroom upstairs. So it's 5 bedroom. So this is the master, which is super nice. And that's the bathroom there. So nice, right? So come and visit me today to my open house. And this is very location. If you are looking to find a house, is always check the convenience, the location. And if you have some kids, for sure you're looking for the school, and this property will be one of your home. So come and see me today. I stay here until 4 p.m. It's a nice house. And look, come and see us. Come and see me today. Frisco ISD. It is still McKinney, but Frisco ISD. So how good that one, right? So it's, punta na kayo dito. Nandito lang ako until 4 o'clock. Again, the address is 8005 Lapping Waters Trails in McKinney. And 3,000 square feet, 5 bedroom, 3 full bath. So see you guys. See you here, okay?